Now let us start with a very important concept which is called differential equation. We all know that in real life or in any phenomena easily we can see a differential equation because rate of change is involved everywhere, which brings the derivative into picture. So what exactly is a differential equation? An equation containing the derivatives of one or more unknown functions or dependent variables with respect to one or more independent variable is said to be differential equation. Right, so basically an equation with the derivatives. For example, if I write like this, d2x upon dt square plus x is equal to 0. So here this x is dependent variable and this t is independent variable. So based on the change in t, we are getting the change in x. So this is how we define the dependent and independent variables. Now the differential equation, when I talk about the classification, I can classify it in various ways. For example, if it has normal derivatives, then it is called ordinary differential equation, ODE. Okay, so it can be ODE when it has normal different derivatives, and when it contains the partial different derivatives, then it is called PDE. Okay, now the very important concept is the order of differential equation. Now what exactly is the order of differential equation? Now the order of differential equation is the order of the highest derivative in the equation. We will find out which is the highest derivative and its order is called the order of the whole differential equation. For example, if I write d2y upon dx square minus dy by dx cube plus 4y is equal to e to the power x. So this derivative is order 1 and this derivative is order 2 or second order. So this is the differential equation of order 2 because the highest derivative is of order 2. Right? So this is how we talk. Now based on the order that we spoke, now based on the whether it is linear and non-linear, we need to understand. Now what exactly is a linear and non-linear? An nth order ordinary equation is said to be linear. Any differential equation with nth order. For example, this one is a second order, right? Is linear if the dependent variable, okay, if it's dependent variable and all its derivative, like here in this case, what is a dependent variable? Y. So y and all its derivative like y dash, y double dash, they are of first degree, then it is called linear. Okay, the power of each term involving y is 1. It should be 1. Linear means 1. Okay, and the coefficients of these derivative depend at most on the independent variable x. For example, just have this d2y upon dx square minus 4 dy by dx plus 5y is equal to 0. Correct? So this is a linear differential equation of order 2 because y, dy by dx, d2y by dx square, they don't have the power unlike like this. Correct? Now what is a non-linear ordinary differential equation? Which is not linear. It contains the non-linear function or some power of the derivative. For simple example, if I write like this, 1 minus y dy by dx plus 5y is equal to e to the power x. So see, these are coming in product. So that create a problem. Right? Same way if I write d2y upon dx square plus sin y is equal to 0. It is also non-linear because of the presence of this sin y. Because if you open it, we know that sin y series, if you open, you will get the powers of y in it. Same way, d4y upon dx to the power 4 plus y square is equal to 0 is also not linear because this y has a power. So this is how we classify linear differential equation and non-linear differential equation. These are the basic concepts which you should know before starting any topic. We can form the differential equation in many places, like when you are moving a mass, spring, damper and all that problems, you can get the differential equation. Even in LCR circuit you can get the differential equation. Okay, so now let us come to the main concept which we have to study, which is a linear differential equation. Linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Now what is this that we need to understand? Okay, now I am writing one equation. The linear differential equation is a differential equation whose dependent variable and differential coefficients occur only in the first degree. That is what we have discussed till now. Okay, and they should not be multiplied together. Thus, a general linear equation of nth order can be written as dny upon dxn plus a1 dn minus 1. Actually here I should write an minus 1 dxn minus 1 dash dash dash, and I'll have a0 y is equal to fx. So now see here, these are all constants. Here it is simple y, derivative, derivative. So it is a nth order differential equation which is linear in nature. Correct. Now what is the next thing I am going to talk is, based on the value of fx I can say this is homogeneous or non-homogeneous. If fx is equal to 0, it is called homogeneous. Correct. The complete solution of this type of equation is y is equal to CF plus PI, where CF is complementary factor and PI is particular integral. In the case of homogeneous function, Pi is equal to 0. So only CF we will be finding out, right? So now we have to learn how to find out a solution for this linear differential equation in case of homogeneous as well as non-homogeneous. So our first concept or first target will be to learn how to find the complementary factor. Once we are done with that, we will learn how to find out the particular integral. Okay, so in my next video, I will be telling you how to find out the complementary factor, and after that one by one PI cases we will discuss. Thank you.